Okay, in this first lesson, we're going to go over how to navigate the ParentSquare interface on the web browser. So this is using a computer, a laptop, or even on your iPad. If you go to your browser, like the Safari browser window, and you go to parentsquare.com/sign in, instead of logging into the mobile app or even the app on the iPad, you can log into the web browser. So you would just you could click sign in with Google, and it uses your district Google account to sign in. And then now you're on the web version of ParentSquare. Okay, so this is the web version of the ParentSquare interface, and at the very top middle, you can see what school that you're associated with. In this case, it is Chapel Park Elementary. And that middle section is your feed, very much kind of like a Facebook feed. The middle section is where you're going to view all the posts that belong to the school you belong to or any groups you belong to. So let's go ahead and start with the main navigation, which is on the left side. So underneath the ParentSquare logo, you also see there's a home button, there's the school, but there are three main categories of navigation here at ParentSquare, and they have the capitalized letters with the blue dot. It's communicate right here, explore, and participate. So we're going to start under communicate. This is where you see your post. Below that is messages, and then alerts and notices. In the Explore section, this is where you can view the directory of the campus or the group that you're a part of, the calendar, anything that goes into the calendar or events. Below that, you can click here to see photos, videos, and files. Links is a place where you can actually upload some permanent links if you want to go to third-party links or other links, and I'll show you on the right side where that is. Resource Hub is where you would go to add resources. Now, Participate, the last main category, this is where you would go to view all your groups, and then below that is volunteer hours. Now, let's go ahead and move over to the right, and we'll get in more detail later. Right, the right side, the very top of the right, this is where you get to your account where it says, that, right, in this example it says staff user, this would be your name. If you click that drop down, this is where you say my account or sign out. So if you need to change anything with your account, upload a picture, put your working hours, you could go right there to my account. To the left of that is a question icon. This is where you can go right here to get help articles, what's new, or if you need to contact ParentSquare, you can email them or chat with them. And then there is just that's just a thing to give ParentSquare a shout out that says love ParentSquare, and then the reminders there. Now this top here where it says search post, this is where you can actually search for posts that have been made. You can type in a keyword, or if you click the red little icon right there, it takes you to a more advanced field, and this is where you can type in your search word, and then you can even choose date range, sent by, sent to, post includes. That's just advanced search. If you're trying to find a post that you missed and you knew it was there, you can just use the search field. Okay, so continuing with the right side, below your username in the black area right there, it says my school's classes and groups. This is where you're going to see anything that you're a part of. All right, so if you have your classes here or a group that you've joined or a group that you can join, this is where it would show up and it would quickly take you to that group. So right now we're in the main page of Chapel Park Elementary, but if I was to come over here and do ParentSquare training, it's going to take me to this group, this training that we're doing right now, and you can see there's no post right there, but I'm in that group. Now, the one thing is, in order to get back to the home, if you come over here to the right, you do not see a home button. You have to come over here to the top left and click home. And now it takes you back to Chapel Park Elementary home. So that's kind of just a quick way to navigate to some of the groups and stuff you're a part of. Below that is a quick little reference of the calendar events, and you'll see a few dates right there. And below that, you'll see some things coming up. Like right here, we have spring break coming up, and then other things that have been posted to a calendar that you're a part of. If we keep going down the right side, we're going to see we have photos. This is any photos that were uploaded to a post. Videos, any videos that were uploaded to a post. And then we're going to see files. Any file that was attached to a post that you are a part of, you'll see that file there. And you also see on all of these, it says view all, and it would take you to a page to view all. And it just shows you a quick snapshot of a few on the right side here. All right, so the links that we were talking about over there on the left, where you go to enter links, here's where you view the links. So you can see that we have a resource hub and links right here. And like the links has breakfast and lunch menus, My School Bucks, Home Access Center. These are just a few links, and we can add more per group and even per your school or in the individual group. All right, so that's kind of the right side of the navigation. And that's just a quick run through. That's it. That's the navigation of the web version of the ParentSquare interface.